I've been using GoHighLevel as a coach and business owner for just over 3 months. And in that time, it has replaced so many tools that I've been overpaying and costing me too much time trying to figure out and connect. It's a piece of advice that nobody told me. You don't need to use every feature that GoHighLevel offers in one day. And there's a specific order that makes the learning curve a lot more manageable instead of impossible, and I'm going to walk you exactly through what that is. But first, there are 3 things in GoHighLevel that surprised me the most. Things that made my life a lot easier, or things I had to learn the hard way. So stick around, because the third one is exactly what makes most beginners completely frustrated and cost them tons of time. Start with something that completely surprised me, and that's the community feature within GoHighLevel. Most coaches think about community group, they think about social apps like Facebook, Instagram, apps that have internal social groups where you can communicate with your followers. But here's the problem with that. You don't own those platforms. And if any of them wants to shut down, lock you out, or someone hacks your account, you lost your community. But within GoHighLevel, you have a client sign-in hub where your community can sign in from their phones or desktop. But what I didn't know is that you have an option of creating your own app hosted and created within GoHighLevel. This takes community building to a whole nother level, especially when it comes to building out your own brand as a coach and building a community where people love you and your brand. And as we all know, we are fighting for the attention of our community. And once you have an app, you can have notifications going directly to your community. And with your own app, you can send notification directly to each of your members. Now, after you created your community, you're going to need a place where they're invited to said community. And that's where the next feature comes in. But you're going to need this one thing before I got GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel website building feature is completely insane. It is super simple to use. You don't need no fancy tech or coding. You can build a full professional grade website within minutes. I created my link in bio within under 30 minutes because I wanted some razzle dazzle. But I could have done it in 15 minutes if I wanted to, because they have already created templates that you can pick and plug in all your text and pictures, simple and easy. Because it's such a high level platform, it is compatible and already used by other professionals throughout the industry. So as of right now, I have an external freelancer working on my sales page right now. And guess what platform they're using? GoHighLevel. And they've broken down how easy it is to upload a template that I've chosen and loved so far. So that's how simple GoHighLevel is. Now, this is what you need to know about website building on GoHighLevel. You do need your own domain name. They do not offer free domains where you might see on other platforms that has the branded domain on it. You do need to get your domain, which encourages you as a business owner to get truly serious and go ahead and invest in a domain so you can stand out using GoHighLevel. It is not uncommon to go on GoHighLevel and see all the amazing features, the ability to build funnels, booking calendars, website automation, social media posting, and so much more, and get overwhelmed and convince yourself, gaslight yourself that it is too techy for you, but that's not the case. You have the luxury to use all these features and learn the skills, but more importantly, within the platform, you are able to literally get tutorials and walkthroughs through every features. So you have someone right beside you building out your business with you. And what I didn't know, that you can get an extended free trial when using GoHighLevel. This way you can see all the features, test it out, and see how you can incorporate in your business. So if you go down the link in my description box, you can use the exact same code. So instead of 14 days, you get 30 days free with GoHighLevel to try and check out all these amazing features, save you so much time, and delete all the unnecessary apps that this GoHighLevel replaces. And the more I build on my business and see how amazing this platform is, I appreciate so much more that GoHighLevel has sponsored this video today. And again, if you want to try it out and see how it's going to expand your business, whether you're a coach, business owner, online, digital creator, agency, or anything like that, go ahead and check the link down in the description box. And feel free to ask me questions on how I'm using it. And again, I'm so grateful that I already had this platform while I expand on different areas of my business, because as I'm outsourcing my sales page, it is amazing how easy it is just to add someone as an admin and have them working in the back end as I go about and work on other areas of my business. Literally, it is what the name is. When you use GoHighLevel, that is exactly what your business is doing. It's going high level. It's no longer using these mediocre entry level platforms. You're literally building out a organization, a true business online. And if you want the same experience, again, check out the 30-day extended free trial down in the description box. I'll see you in my next video.